In this video, we're going to go over cross dissolves. This is a pretty basic function within Adobe Premiere, but if you're new to the program, it could be a bit hidden. So this is a quick review on that. So anyways, what I usually do, I'm going to cross dissolve from this clip into this one. So what I usually do, there's a split here, or a cut. So I right click and then apply default transitions. And I have my default transition as a cross dissolve. And that's standard with Adobe Premiere. You actually have to go in and change your default transitions for that to not be a cross dissolve. So again, right here, right click, apply default transitions. And I usually just go by eye, sort of eyeball it to see, keep the cross dissolve pretty short, but you can also double click and then make it a standard. Maybe you have a 8 millisecond standard there, and then that could be your standard for your project. So all you do is just double click, then change your duration right here. So I usually just eyeball it, make it somewhat short, but if you want to get specific with it, you can just double click and change that number and press OK. And say for some reason your default transition is set to something different, what you can do is just drop this down here and then go to effects and then type in cross dissolve, which will be right here, and you can just drag and drop it between your clips that you want to dissolve into, and then you see how it slides. This is going to be more of a cross dissolve on your second clip into your first clip, and then vice versa there. So I usually just match them right in the middle, but that's how I use cross dissolves pretty frequently within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love the feedback. I appreciate everyone watching these videos and showing love. And I just started doing some Amazon affiliate links with all the gear that I use on video shoots and photo shoots. If you are interested in how I capture some of this content, like this time lapse here, check out the gear list in each of the descriptions of these videos. And yeah, have a great day, guys. Happy editing.